Yes, sir. Okay, I get it. So since today we ain't got no releases, Nike and Jordan Brand said we got a double release for y'all in the next upcoming weeks, y'all. So this is one of the two shoes that will be releasing on April 5th. Let's talk about it. YouTube family. What's good? What's going on, y'all? Saturday, man. Look, we are here today to give y'all a first look, as promised. If you guys tuned into the video from yesterday, told y'all today I will be hitting y'all with a first look of an upcoming shoe. And I made a statement that I kind of want to recant, man. I said that this shoe should release exclusively at outlets, but it ain't that bad, you know what I'm saying? Here's the inner sneakerhead, that inner stylist, you know, that I am, and I can see things that you can put together with this shoe, but it will definitely sit. This shoe will not sell out, y'all. I'm just letting y'all know that from now. I'm gonna give y'all the real. And just at the top of the video, if you guys want these, I do have them available retail. You know what I'm saying? Retail plus shipping. So if you guys want the shoes that I'm about to show y'all in this video, send me a DM over at JTSG Closet. If you know, you know. If you already tapped in over there, all you gotta do is hit me with a DM. If you're not already over there, you got a request to get in, and hopefully I still have some available, but not $1 over retail plus tax and shipping. And you know, I'll have them on the way to y'all early. You don't have to wait until April 5th. But outside of all that, man, we are currently at our next number up, y'all. We hit 192K. So I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. I told y'all we are growing continuously, man, and we are doing it the right way, man. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all for rocking out with the fam. OGs, man, I need y'all to shout out, man. Where are my OGs at? New members, I know y'all been hit up the comment section, but I want to hear from my OGs on this one, man. Comment down below if you have been an OG. If you've been around for a few months, a few years, whatever the case is, let me know y'all status down below in the comment section. And make sure that y'all are still subscribed, because YouTube does unsubscribe people from time to time because they just be hating on the kid. I don't know why, man, but new members, this one is for y'all. If y'all are viewing for the first time, second time, or whatever the case may be, and you have not officially become a member of the family by hitting that subscribe button, man, take a quick second, hit the subscribe button, as well as leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know that you are new so I can welcome you into the family the right way, man. I like to acknowledge everyone who comes in and rocks out with us, man. So shout out to you and whoever else might be new. Just go ahead and leave a comment down below. I will respond back, and you know what I'm saying, let you know you're appreciated around here, y'all. But yes, man, like I told y'all, 192K. It does say it on the live subscriber count, y'all. So the next number up is 193, and we are that much closer to the goal of 200K, y'all. So we trying to hit it, y'all. My goal is by May. You know, that's pushing it, but nah, it ain't pushing it, man. We can make it happen, man. Make sure y'all share the vid, hit the thumbs up, get this video out in the algorithm, and we can hit that goal of 200K, man. But yes, man, today's video is about some ones. And they're one of two pairs, which I will be showing you the other pair as well. But let's check them out and see what's releasing on April 5th, y'all. Woo! Yes, sir. Hold on. It smells like Cinnabar.
Cap.
Bang! Nah, bro, it don't smell like nothing. Y'all gonna be like, bro, I thought you said the box smell like Cinnabar, man. Y'all just be, it don't smell like Cinnabar, y'all, man. That's the official colorway, though. But as you can see from the box, y'all, this is a nice box. It is giving me, I don't know if it's just me, but it's giving me airship vibes, y'all. This looks like an airship box. If you know, you know, but you do have, of course, that, like, of course, I want to say, what type of look is that? Like a construction type of worn out type look on the Nike, which is in red. You do got the sale hits all throughout the box. And on the side tag on this one, it does read women. So this is one of the two pairs releasing, and this is the women's version of it, y'all. So this one does come with that W attached to it. It only goes up to a 12 in women's, which is a 10.5 in men's, y'all. So they will not be in extended sizes. 10.5 in men's will be the largest size they have in these. But women's Air Jordan 1 high OG color block, and it's Cell Cinnabar. There's that name I was telling y'all about. So Cell Cinnabar light bone. This right here is a size 10, and if you want this size 10, it is yours, my friend. All you gotta do is hit me up at JTSG Closet. Like I said, I have a 3.5 through a 12W, so I have pretty much all sizes. Like I said, retail. Just send me a DM, and if you ain't rocking out over there, man, you missing out. Just leave it at that. It's starting to get crowded over there, so hey, you out of luck if you ain't over there already. It might take you a while to get in, who knows, but yeah, that is the size tag. That is the box. Popping open the box lid. We do got a lot number, y'all. So lot numbers, they have been on the top of box lids. They have been inside the box. They've been all over, but this one is on the top of the box lid. We do have the same style of packaging as a previous Jordan 1 Rare Air, which I did show y'all. I'll show y'all that later on in this video, but you do got, of course, the Rare Air. You got some Jordan 1s right there on the paper as well. And I see right here on the bottom, we got the shoe, y'all. So that is definitely the shoe that I'm about to show y'all right there at the bottom of the box. So we will be taking a look at that in a second, but paper, you know what I'm saying? More Jordan 1 stuff on shelves and just boxes and whatever else. I definitely like the presentation of it. Now, here we go. We do have the shoes, y'all, and these shoes do come individually wrapped, as you can see, same way as the men's pair, y'all. So they will be individually wrapped up like some bricks, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Nigel Sylvester, but this shoe has one special quality that I do like about it, y'all. But yes, April 5th, one of the two pairs releasing. We do have the women's Jordan 1 Rare Airs, and they look clean right here. Like, it's not a bad shoe. Yeah. Let me introduce it the right way. Bang! Yes, sir, man. The Jordan 1 Rare Airs. Take a look at that, man. The shape looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? The shoe looks pretty clean, y'all. But here they go right here, man. The Jordan 1 Rare Airs, and like I said, outside of the box giving a airship vibe, the shoe itself kind of gives me an airship vibe, y'all, but it is a calm, cool colorway. This shoe right here, y'all, it reminds me of the Jordan 1 Nigels, y'all. If y'all remember one of Nigel Sylvester's first shoes with Jordan brand, it was the Jordan 1 Nigels. This shoe right here gives me those vibes, man. Definitely gives me that type of resemblance. But you do got some key features on here. You do have the suede on the swoosh. You got the suede around the uppers, around the ankle collar. And, you know, you do have some different special touches. Like, take a look at the Wings logo right there. On the outside, it says Air Jordan. On the inside, they changed up the color, but not only the color, they changed up the font, y'all. It does have Nike Air written on the inside, man. So you do got some special rarity touches on this shoe right here. It does come with the double lace, man. This is like one of the first shoes I seen that they gave us OG double laced, and yes, that's exactly how it is, y'all. It does have two laces in it. I don't know if I'm a fan of that, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm a fan. I think I would probably just go straight white on it, just to wipe the whole shoe out. Or I might go blue, man. I might go blue to pop off that tongue. But these aren't bad. They're not bad, but they outlet specials, y'all. I'm gonna keep it a buck. These are going straight to the outlets, y'all, but I cannot talk about this shoe without talking about one of its key features, y'all, and that is the quality, man. Like, Jordan brand knows what they doing, bro. Whenever they give us a all right of a shoe, they always top it off with the best quality. If you look at some of the best quality Jordan 1s that have ever released, y'all, a majority of them, minus the shattered backboards, has just superior leather, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, a majority of the trash looking Jordan 1s have that great leather, and this one does deliver, man. Like, this leather is so plush, nice, soft. Look at that detailing, man. This is a clean shoe, bro. Definitely a clean shoe. I'm a fan of it, you know what I'm saying? This shoe might even hit with some gray laces, you know what I'm saying? Like, I think gray laces might be the way to go on these, you know what I'm saying? Like, but you do have, of course, the age, the sail, midsole on this one. And of course, we do have the white uppers. You do have the age look at every end of course, the leather, where the leather stops. You do have that exposed, of course, look of the age coloring, and that is all throughout the shoe. So definitely a nice touch there, man. And unlike the Jordan 1s, I do not think that you can do anything with the swoosh to reveal a color underneath. You guys put me on game on the men's pair, the Rare Air 1s. Bang! Which is the Deep Royal, y'all. This is now this not an outlet special, y'all. These are fire. This is a clean pair of Air Jordans. I do have these available over at JTSG Closet as well. 12 and 13s are getting slim over there. I might have one of each left, but all the other sizes I do have available. But these aren't retail. I'm gonna let y'all know that now. This pair isn't going for retail, so don't come over there and be like, you said retail in the video, Jay. Yeah. You said these, no. These, yes, retail. These, no sir, no sir, no sir. But anyways, as I was talking about, of course, the Nike swooshes on the side, y'all. So you guys put me on game. The swoosh, as you can see, it does have that nice red type of lining, y'all. That is because very similar to the Nike SB Jordan 1s, was it NYC to Paris? Those, and of course the other pair too, Chicago to, I forgot it, you know what I'm saying? But both of those pairs, they did have the same type of effect where you can take off that paint, of course, on the black swoosh, and it does reveal another color from what I heard. That's what I heard, it's a rumor. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, y'all fact check me, let me know, but from what I heard, you can remove that black paint and it reveals another color. As you can see from that swoosh, you got like a reddish type of look. I think that is the color that's underneath the swoosh. Somebody let me know. Somebody try it. Somebody mess up their shoes, scrape them up, and let me know so I can let the fam know. But yes, that is the only difference. And here you have them. Of course, you got the men's and the women's rare airs. Both are set to be released on April 5th, $180. The men's pair is crushing the women's pair. That is in my opinion, man. It's just more of a wearable, a masculine, you know, just a dominant type shoe. Like, it just stands out. This is just, it looks like an airship. If I'm keeping it a buck with y'all, this shoe looks like an airship. A lot of people complained about the sail midsole on this shoe, y'all, but I think the sail midsole works, man. You know, it would have been too much white, you know, in my opinion. It still would have been clean, don't get me wrong. If you would have made it a white midsole, it would have been clean, but I think it does give it a nice contract with the sail midsole. Y'all give me y'all thoughts and opinions, but which one of y'all going with? Some people out there might like these over these, you know, it's just all personal preference. But y'all comment down below. Both will be releasing on, of course, April 5th. Retail on them will be $180, and these will be the women's exclusive, only up to a 10.5 in men, 12W, and this one goes up to maybe a size 18 plus. Who knows? You know, these will be in all sizes. But comment down below which one y'all are going with. But we ain't talking about the men's pair, we are shedding light on the women. So here they go right here again, y'all. Like I said, man, they do come with the double laces on them. Let me grab the other shoe to see if there's anything different between the two pairs. Bang! And upon looking at them, y'all, they're pretty much identical. I would have thought possibly they would have alternated, of course, the colors. As you can see, the inside got the black Nike Air, outside has the Air Jordan. They could have did, you know, they could have did a black on the outside of the left shoe, a red on the outside of the right shoe, something like that. I don't know, but everything is pretty much identical. The same way the outside looks, the inside looks, man. So there's no differences there, as you can see. And this shoe right here, man, it is giving me, what is the name of that Jordan 1, y'all? One of my first Jordan 1s that I reviewed on the channel. It also gives me those vibes, man. The Phantom, the Jordan 1 Phantom. That's the vibes that I am getting from this shoe, y'all. If you guys remember back in like 2018, maybe 2019, somewhere around that time, we did get those Jordan 1 Phantoms, and that is the same type of look that I do get from this shoe, man. But it is clean nonetheless, but it's going to the outlets, man. And this looks like it's gonna be a nice warm shoe. It's releasing around summertime, and I don't know why they would do like an insole. Like, look at that insole, y'all, like how insulated that looks. That's gonna be a hot inside of a shoe. Like, very, very padded, you know. It looks like a sweater type of material inside there, man. So that is gonna be, you know, warm on the foot. But taking a look, man, as you can see right here from, of course, that piece of leather hanging down, it looks like the, of course, tabs up top will be like flappy. It looks like they'll be flappy. They're not laid down like, of course, your regular Jordan 1s. So that's another thing that you can kind of, you know, get creative with. If you don't want to lace up that top and you want to have that flap hanging down, you can do that with the shoe. You know what I'm saying? You can do some things with it. But yes, airship slash Jordan 1 Phantoms slash rare Air 1s. April 5th, man, this is the women's pair. Comment down below which one of y'all going after, if it's either or neither, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. But that is pretty much it. Your boy Jay just wanted to hit y'all with this early look. And like I said, y'all, I have them. If y'all want them right now, just hit me up. And there's several other shoes over there. Just tap in and hit your boy up with a DM. If y'all don't have, of course, Instagram, send me an email and pray. You literally have to pray that I get back to your email, because I have just so much traffic going through JTSG Closet, y'all. My focus is over there, man. So create an IG account, man, and tap in, and you can get your shoes early, whatever y'all pretty much see on the channel, if I have it available. But yeah, man, that is pretty much it. We do have the rare Air Jordan 1s. Told y'all the date, told y'all the price. I need y'all to let me know your thoughts on it. Are y'all copping? Are y'all passing? Are these outlet specials? I'm gonna say yes. Yes. These will be on sale for like $149, $139. $179 early, you know, athlete's foot, things like that. But that's just my thoughts and opinions on it. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, man. But that is it. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'm back at y'all tomorrow. More vids, more movies. Y'all stay blessed. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, y'all. We need to hit this 200K, man. So do that for your boy Jay. Stay blessed. To the next one. Whereas, man, we out of here, man.